Pays well.
Pays better.
Customers don't ever ask you how much it is to fix their AC.
Huh,
How
yeah.
quick you can get, how quick can you get this stuff?
Yeah, that's true. Don't you have to have a HVAC license to buy this stuff for it?
Yep.
So you have that, huh?
No, I've just been doing this so long that nobody asked me.
Do we need to move that electrical cord a little bit?
No.
We'll just deal with that later.
We got this.
Okay.
I'm going to have to plug this in before I charge it.
Oh, I got it. Let me get an extension cord so that we can make that a little easier. Be right back.